Hello guys, Harshit here with a brand new video, and it's been time since I uploaded my previous video, so I just got hold up with other projects. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install Android Studio and Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing we need to do is open up Chrome, and now we are going to go to code.visualstudio.com. So this is for installing Visual Studio Code, which I personally recommend you to use. And also, as this is for Mac, you will be having the simulator with you, so it is not necessary for you to install the Android Studio. But if you are using Windows or Linux, you might need to install Android Studio. So I'll be discussing how to install it in the next section. So we are going to click Mac. So this is automatically going to install a zip folder over here. So I'm going to pick downloads. Okay, now note that the zip is going to install the application directly, so we need to move this into the applications folder. So until it's done, we are just going to open Finder and keep it. And okay, now that is done. So it has extracted it, and now we get it as a new folder over here. Okay, now you can see that the application is being directly unzipped from this. So now we can delete this. Now all you need to do is just drag this inside the applications folder over here. So I already have Visual Studio installed, so I get this warning saying that if you want to replace or do this, so actually you will not get any of this. It will just move the application to there. So I'm just going to stop it over here, and then just go for Spotlight and search for VS Code. So this should open up this thing over here. And before you can start installing, start doing your code, you just need some extensions. So the first one is an extension called Flutter, and make sure you install this one. And then the first one, or just search for Dart code or publisher.code and install these two. So this is the programming language which we will be using, and Flutter is the basic. It helps to find the SDK and do other things. So once you have both of them, you will be able to create your first Flutter project, which I will be doing in the next video. And also I am just planning to have a daily basis video. So let's see how it goes. So now this is a Visual Studio, Android Studio. So it is developer.android.com/studio, and all the links will be in the description, so make sure you check that out. So I also have an article in harshitashok.com which you can check it out. So here you'll get this page, and if the Android web page got your OS correctly, it should have this. So if it doesn't, just go to download options, and over here just click on Mac. This is going to install the disk image. So downloads again. So disk image will just normally set up a wizard, and you just need to just click everything, and you'll have Android Studio installed. And a small note, I will not be using Android Studio very frequently unless I'm going to show how to use the emulators and the simulators and all the other things. So in that case you will be requiring Android Studio, but having both is not really required. So as I said, if you are using Windows or Linux, you might need Android Studio, and if you want, you can also install Visual Studio, but it is not necessary in Mac. So we are just going to wait until it's done. Okay, when that is done, you will notice that the download has completed. So we'll open it in Finder, and we are going to double click on this disk image, which is now first going to verify the Android Studio IDE. excuse me. Okay, now we are just going to drag this over here, and also I have already installed Android Studio, and you will not be getting this, but it is just going to copy for a while, and I'm going to stop it here, and then after okay, very sorry. And now we are going to just double click this, and this is going to verify Android Studio, and it is just going to ask whether you want to open the application which you have downloaded from the web page. Just give agree. So we are going to wait, and before and until it's done, I just want to say that thank you for your support. So I could not have made at least 10 videos in my web channel, and make sure you subscribe for more videos and like this video here. So it is okay. Now here I told you that you will get this warning. Just give open. So I'll just minimize all of these. Okay, now you'll get this setup page over here, and it will just take some while. If you are using it, if you are opening for the first time, it will just ask some things. It will just ask whether you want to the theme and all those things. So here you will not be seeing this part over here. So start a new Flutter project. So if you do not see that, just go to configure at the bottom, and over there just click on plugins, and this is going to give a new page over here, and then you're just going to click on you're just going to search go under the marketplace and search for Flutter, and you're just going to install this. So this will prompt you to install Dart as well, so go on and install it, and then you might need to restart your IDE, and after restarting it you will see this one. So that's all guys, you have Android Studio and Visual Studio installed in your Mac. In the next video I'll be showing you how to set up an simulator for Mac and an emulator for Windows and Linux. Until then, take care. So thanks for watching till the end of this video. I hope you understood everything I said, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And to watch the latest video, click above, and to subscribe over there, and a recent video over there. So until then, take care.